So this is number 1 of exercise 2.2. Okay. So the first bit is x is equal to 0, it is given, and the polynomial is also given, 5x plus 4x square plus 3. Okay. So in the place of x, first for the bit 1 we have to put 0, because here it is written that x is equal to 0, means the numeric value of x is 0. So 5 into 0, because 5 into x, you can see here 5 into x, so that will be 5 into 0 plus 4 into x square. So in the place of x we have to put 0, 0 to the power 2, because it was x square, plus 3, that is equal to 0 into 5, 0, again the square of 0 is also 0, so 0 into 4, 0 plus 3. So the answer is 3. Okay. So the value of this polynomial where x is equal to 0 is 3. Then bit 2 is x is equal to minus 1. Okay. Means we have to put minus 1 in place of x. The polynomial will be same. Okay. The polynomial will be 5x plus 4x square plus 3. So 5 into x means 5 into minus 1. Then 4 into plus 4 into x square means 4 into minus 1 to the power 2 plus 3. Okay. Is equal to minus 1 into 5. As you guys know that negative if an integer which is negative is multiplied with a positive integer, then the result will be negative. Okay. Minus 5, then minus 1 into minus 1, that will be plus 1. So plus 1 into 4 plus 4 plus 3 is equal to minus 5 plus 7 is equal to plus 2. The positive integer is more than the negative integer, that's why the answer will be plus 2. Then the last one is, I think last one you can do this, because in the place of x you have to put 2. Similarly as I have done bit 1 and bit 2. Okay. Hello students. So I hope it will be helpful to you, and if you guys have any doubt then please do comment and write your doubts and also different questions. Okay. And I will give the solutions there, and please do share, subscribe and like. Okay. Thank you. Okay, now we will start number 2 of exercise 2.2. So the question is find P0, P1, P2 for each of the following polynomials. Okay. So here bit 2 is Pt is equal to 2 plus t plus 2t square minus t3. Okay. So first we have to find out P0, means in every place of t we have to put 0. Okay. So 2 plus, here is t, in the place of t we have to put 0. 2 plus 0 plus 2 into t square, that means 2 into, in the place of t we have to write 0. 0 to the power 2. Okay. Minus 0 to the power 3, because it is minus t to the power 3, that's a minus 0 to the power 3. That will be equal to 2 plus 0 to the power 2 is also 0 into 2, that is also 0, because any number into 0 is equal to 0, minus 0 to the power 3 is also 0, is equal to 2. So implies that Pt is equal to 2, means polynomial t is equal to 2. Then next P1 means we have to put 1 in place of t. Okay. P2 is equal to 2 plus 2 plus 2 into 2 to the power 2 minus 2 to the power 3. Okay. Means in place of t, see, in place of t I have put 2. Okay. T square, it was 2 into t square, I have written 2 into 2 to the power 2, because here t is equal to 2. We have to take t is equal to 2. So the answer will be 2 plus t into t to the 2 into 2 to the power 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. Then minus 8, because the cube of 2 is 8. Plus minus cancel. Okay, the value is equal, and this was positive, this was negative, that will be cancelled. So answer is 2. Similarly, you have to find out P1. Okay, that was the easy one, that's why I did not do that. Okay, then bit IV. In bit IV also the polynomial is given. You just need to put the value of x. Like it is written Px, but you have to find out P0, P1, P2. Means you have to find out 3 value of this polynomial. This is a polynomial x minus 1 into x plus 1. So in every place of x you have to put 0 for the first answer. Then in the next one you have to put 1, and in the third one you have to put 2. Okay, I will do 1. So I will find out P2. Means here in the place of x you have to put 2. So it was x minus 1. So in the place of x I have put 2. So 2 minus 1. Okay. Here also x plus 1, that means 2 plus 1. Because in the place of x we have to write 2. Then 2 minus 1 is 1 into 2 plus 1 is 3 is equal to 3. Okay. Next you can find out P0 and P1 also. Okay. That will be in the similar process. So this is number 3 of exercise 2.2. Okay. This is the most important question of this exercise, because here you have to verify, you have to check whether the value where the value of x is equal to minus 1 by root 3 and 2 by root 3, and this is number Bii. Okay, bit Bii of number 3. Okay. So Px is equal to 3x square minus 1, and we have to verify whether these two, means the value of x minus 1 by root 3 and 2 by root 3, these two are the zeros of this polynomial or not. Okay. So Px is equal to this much, and we have to put at first we have to put minus 1 by root 3 in the place of x, and we have to check whether this is equal to 0 or not. Okay. So P minus 1 by root 3, because we have to find out Px and the value of x is 1 by root 3 according to the question. So in the place of x we have to write minus 1 by root 3, and we have to check whether the value of the polynomial will be 0 or not. Okay. If the value of the polynomial will be 0, then we can say that yes, minus 1 by root 3 is a 0 of polynomial 3x square minus 1. Okay. So let's check. So in the place of x we have to write minus 1 by root 3. So 3 into x square means 3 into 1 by minus 1 by root 3 to the power 2. Okay. Minus 1. So as we know, minus 1 into minus 1, that will be 1, and root 3 into root 3, that will be 3 minus 1. So is equal to 3 into 1 by 3 minus 1. So 3 will be cancelled. Okay. This is the numerator and this is the denominator. So 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. Here if we will take the value of x is equal to minus 1 by root 3, then the value of the polynomial is 0. Okay. That's why minus 1 by root 3 is a 0 of the polynomial. Okay. Polynomial means 3x square minus 1 is a polynomial, and minus 1 by root 3 is a 0 of this polynomial. Okay. Because when we will put the value of x as minus 1 by root 3, the value of the whole polynomial will be 0. Okay. Then we have to check the next one also. P 2 by root 3. So here also we have to put 2 by root 3 in place of x. So 3 into 2 by root 3 to the power 2 minus 1 is equal to 3 into 2 to the 4, 4 by root 3 into root 3, 3 minus 1. So 3 will be cancelled. Okay. So it is 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. And as you can see, 3, here the value of the polynomial is 3, and that's why we will say that 2 by root 3 is not a 0 of this polynomial. Okay. 2 by root 3 is not a zero of the polynomial. Okay, why? Because it is not equal to 0. The whole value of the polynomial should be 0, and if not, then that value of x is not a 0 of this polynomial. Okay. So this is number 4 of exercise 2.2. Okay, the question is find the 0 of the polynomial. Okay, means we have to find the polynomial is given something like 5 x plus 5 or 3x minus 2 or ax or x plus d. Okay, and we have to find the 0 of the polynomial. Okay, to start this we have to write polynomial, means this polynomial is px is equal to 0, implies that the polynomial is x plus 5, so implies that x plus 5 is equal to 0. As we know that when we will put the 0, I mean the value of x in a polynomial, that should be equal to 0. Okay, so x plus 5 is equal to 0, because this is the polynomial, means this is the value of px. Px means, as in the question it is written that px is equal to x plus 5. So in the place of px we will write x plus 5. So x plus 5 is equal to 0, implies that x is equal to minus 5. Okay, so we will write that minus 5 is the 0 of the polynomial. Okay, minus 5 is the 0 of the polynomial x plus 5. Okay, so when the value of x is equal to minus 5, then only the polynomial will be equal to 0. So minus 5 is the 0 of the polynomial x plus 5. Okay, in bit iv, this was bit 1 of number 4, then bit iv. In bit iv, px is equal to 3x minus 2. Similarly, we have to write px, polynomial x is equal to 3x minus 2. Okay, implies that 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, px is equal to 0, implies that 3x minus 2 is equal to 0, implies that 3x is equal to 2 and x will be equal to 2 by 3. Okay, as 3 was multiplied with x, it will be divided in the LHS. As you guys know, this is LHS and this is RHS. 3 was in LHS, means left hand side. It goes to the right hand side, that's why it will be divided 2 by 3. Okay, so you will have to write that 2 by 3 is the 0 of the polynomial 3x minus 2. Similarly, you have to do this one also. Here px is equal to 0, because to know the value of x, that will be the 0 of the polynomial, the whole polynomial, as we did in the question number 3. The value of the whole polynomial should be equal to 0. So px is equal to 0. Px means ax is equal to 0, implies that x is equal to 0 by a, that is equal to 0. So in this polynomial, the value of x should be equal to 0, and we can say that Pii of question number 4. Okay, so px is equal to cx plus d. Cx plus d. As we know, px should be equal to 0, and in the place of px we have to write cx plus d is equal to 0. Implies that cx is equal to minus d, because d is in the left hand side, it will go to the right hand side. That's why it is positive in the left hand side and it will be negative in the right hand side. Okay, so implies that x is equal to minus d by c. Okay, it was in the LHS and it will go to the RHS and it will be divided because it was multiplied in LHS. Okay, so x is equal to minus d by c. So minus d by c is the 0 of the polynomial cx plus d. Okay, when the polynomial is cx plus d, x should be equal to minus d by c. Okay, thank you.